Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at an altcoin SingularityNET, currently ranked 86 on CoinMarketCap. In the last 1 month, SingularityNET has traded for as high as $0.58. It has also traded for as low as $0.28. SingularityNET is down 15.3% in the last 1 month, but the big one is that on a yearly time frame, SingularityNET is still up in the sky. SingularityNET is still up more than 157%. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the SingularityNET US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. How high are we going to get to by the end of the next bull run? Where are the hurdles we'll need to cross for us to get to that magical $5 region? Can we quickly pump to the $5 region before we dump to Goblin Town? Or are we going to dump to Goblin Town, reaccumulate, and head back to that $5 region? We're also going to be taking a look at SingularityNET's performance against both Bitcoin, Ethereum, and also we'll take a look at SingularityNET's market cap, which is sitting at a new all-time high of about $500 million. We have seen SingularityNET's market cap even get to as high as that $750 million region. How high can it possibly go by the end of the next bull run? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So all my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys. If you're new to this channel and you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, or chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
All coins are known to be very aggressive, pumping to the upside or dumping down to Goblin Town. And right now, SingularityNET is pumping to the upside. Going through its first full crypto bear market, SingularityNET has given us a huge pump in this bear market. When SingularityNET was launched, we saw this altcoin dumping for more than 400 days. That's to be expected with altcoins. Altcoins are known to aggressively both sides, to the upside and to the downside. SingularityNET took around 800 days to finally dump to Goblin Town. But when the bull market came around, we saw a huge pump to the upside that took SingularityNET by more than 8,200%. Going from as low as the $0.0078 region, pumping to as high as the $0.65 region. We entered another bear market. We started dumping to Goblin Town. We saw SingularityNET losing around 94% of its value. We saw a huge pump to the upside in this bear market rally, and that rally has gone up by more than 1,700%, almost getting us to new all-time highs. If SingularityNET is going to go back to where it was launched in January of 2018, SingularityNET will be heading to the $1.8 region. But how are we going to get to $5 by the end of the next bull run? For that, we'll have to use the Fibonacci retracement tool from the top that came in for SingularityNET in January of 2018 to the lowest we have seen this altcoin trade, and that was in 2020. According to the Fibonacci retracement tool, SingularityNET is about to start its journey towards the $7 region. But the $5 region is where we'll be taking a lot of profit on our purchases. And for SingularityNET to get to that $5 region from where we're currently trading right now, SingularityNET will have to rally up to the upside by more than 1,300% again. In total, if we see SingularityNET rallying that high to $5, it will mean from the $0.035 level where SingularityNET got to in November of 2022, it would have rallied up by more than 15,000%. That's a 151x pump to the upside. I'm not expecting that to happen in the coming days and the coming weeks. Let's not get carried away. We've already seen an 18x pump to the upside for SingularityNET in this bear market. It will just be right for us to see us dump back to Goblin Town, probably dump back to a critical support level before we continue our march to the upside. But by the end of the next bull run, when we see Bitcoin getting to new all-time highs, we see Ethereum pumping towards $10,000, the altcoin market is over $1 trillion, we might just see SingularityNET start marching its way towards $5 conservatively. Best case scenario, we'll see it even touch that $7.5 region. Now, when altcoins start dumping, there's no guarantee that we'll just find support at the first support level. We can easily continue dumping back to Goblin Town, probably even coming back to the lows. Guys, I've seen a lot of altcoins have this kind of 10, 20, even 15x pump to the upside, and they'll come back to even set new lows. But gratefully, Our lows in this bear market at the $0.034 level. It could actually be worse, but take a look at what SingularityNET did in the previous bear market. When it left that accumulation range, that was it. We didn't come back till the next bear market. So hopefully we might not see SingularityNET trading in this region again for quite a while. But knowing how volatile altcoins can be, you have to keep some capital on the side in case we see a 70 or 80% dump to the downside, because we know that that can happen very, very quickly. A very, very quick side note, guys, as you continue accumulating, if you're expecting us to pump to higher prices in the future, remember, all coins are volatile, and don't go all in when you're accumulating these all coins. Take your time. It can be a very, very long time in the bear market. Bear markets are designed to liquidate both bulls and bears. You see a lot of pump to the upside. At the same time, you see a lot of dumps to the downside. Your number one job is to survive the chaos. Take a look at what happened to SingularityNET. If you bought some right here and you saw a 1000% pump to the upside, you had to be patient. You had to wait from August 2020 till January 2021 when that pump will continue. And it took how many months for you to wait for that pump to continue? It took around 161 days. But guess what? If you had just waited for that 161 days, you would have seen SingularityNET continue that pump to the upside and eventually give you more than an 80x pump to the upside. The choice is yours. Will you want to wait and survive the bear market and have those huge pumps to the upside? Or will you be stopped out just like every other trader in the bear market? If we take a look at where SingularityNET is finding difficulties blasting above right now, we're seeing SingularityNET still trading below the $0.72 region. I believe we'll blast above it in the coming days and the coming weeks. But guys, don't get carried away. If we see that pump coming to the upside, we can easily just start dumping back to Goblin Town because we're deep in the bear market. If you take a look at what the altcoin season index is telling us, right now, we should be accumulating altcoins, getting ready for when altcoins will start outperforming Bitcoin, as altcoins have been underperforming against Bitcoin in the last 1 month. Remember to dollar cost averaging your position so that if we see lower prices, you will still have some capital on the side. With SingularityNET start pumping to higher prices, we will face some resistance around the $1 region. If we get to that $1 region, we might take a chill period around there. If we continue pumping to higher prices, another level where I see us having a little difficulties might be around that $1.6 region. After $1.6, we're almost at the $5 region. We'll just be left to the $2.5 region before we get to our target of $5. It's very, very possible SingularityNET to get to that $5 region. Taking a look at some details about SingularityNET, in the last 1 year, it has traded for as low as $0.033. That's also traded for as high as $0.66. With a market cap of $487 million, SingularityNET has a fully diluted market cap of $807 million, and more than 1.2 billion SingularityNET tokens are in circulation out of a maximum supply of 2 billion tokens. SingularityNET is currently dumping against Bitcoin. That's to be expected. We saw it having a huge rally against Bitcoin, pumping to new all-time highs, pumping up by more than 1,000%. In the coming days and in the coming weeks, let's not be shocked to see SingularityNET having a huge jump against Bitcoin. That's what all coins do. After they have huge pumps against Bitcoin, they go on a 100 or maybe 200 days dump against Bitcoin. After the previous bull market that ended in 2021 for SingularityNET, we saw it dumping against Bitcoin, and it took it more than 320 days to finally find its bottom. And this rally we just saw for SingularityNET has started since June of 2022. We have taken 200 days to rally by more than 1,800% to the upside against Bitcoin. Against Ethereum, we have seen a rally of 1,700% in the last 200 days also. But remember, guys, even though we think SingularityNET will go to the $5 region, pumping to new all-time highs in the future, in the near term, we might dump aggressively against Bitcoin, we might dump aggressively against Ethereum, and that's why I was advising you guys to have some capital on the side to be able to take advantage of those opportunities when they come your way. SingularityNET might still head back to the $0.23 region. Worst case scenario, we'll still even see it trade at the $0.082 region at some point in time in the bear market. And take a look at SingularityNET's market cap, which has gotten to new all-time highs. If we use the Fibonacci retracement tool to tell us how high it can get to by the end of the next bull run, according to the Fibonacci retracement tool, SingularityNET's market cap can still rally to as high as the $1.4 billion level before this bear market rally ends. From where we're currently trading, that will require us to pump by around 190% to the upside. And if we're seeing of how high SingularityNET can go if we see it trying to rally towards that $5 region, SingularityNET might have to see its market cap rally above the $2.4 billion region. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. How high do you see SingularityNET going by the end of the next bull run? Are you still accumulating right now in the bear market, getting ready for the next bull run? Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Remember guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
7